So history is a subject. The factual the factual informations are available. So when we are talking about the factual information, so that factual information will always includes the past events, when exactly it happened and in which context it has been happened. So fact is one type of content category. So like that fact, there is a some more content categories like concepts, generalization, and the procedures. So in today, we are going to know about one teaching approach which mainly talk about how we can develop the concepts in a student. So when we are talking about that concepts, so the concepts is always helpful for the students to provide the understanding. So whenever we are using the concepts teaching, we are using this specific approach. So I am not at all going to say that which approach we are using. So I will just demonstrate, and please let me know that which approach we have learned in today's class. So for that understanding, now I am going to display that image. Please observe the image and let me know about the answer for the question which is now going to ask. Okay, so the name of the image, nature, user, what information it gives, how the teacher can use, what name you can suggest for this image. So this is the basic question. Please note down the answer in your notebook. Yes, the answers which you have given, that is correct. Archaeological proof, original source, then know the information, then historical, explain the past, and even we can give a name for that as a source. So this is the second set of example, that is Taj Mahal and Delhi Fort, which is very much familiar to you people. Okay, you can answer for the same question. Yes, the answer is correct. It is a monument. It is original, and by this we can know the information and historical, explain the past event, and we can give a name for this as source. Okay, there is a third set of example. So just read that and let me know that which example it is. Yes, it is a literature work, that is literary. Then image is original. Yes, correct. So the answer is source. Exactly correct. I have given a three set of examples. Okay. So the first example and the second also. So when you have analyzed that answer, you have analyzed that questions, you come across with few informative answers. So like this. So it is archaeological source. What you have explored in the previous, so that has been mentioned in a horizontal way. Yes. So now the question is, by observing all these three examples, can you give a generalized statement or can you give a commonalities based statement? Yes, by observing all three examples, can you make a statement in your own words? Yes, exactly. In all three examples with different types of sources, correct, which the teacher can make use of these in their regular classroom, that is also correct, and to explain the past event, that is also correct. So if the history teacher using this method of teaching in their classroom, the teaching, what name you can suggest for this teaching method? It is source method. Exactly. So now any one of you tell me that what is the source method? You can note down the answer in your notebook. Yes. Source method is that method of teaching in which original sources of information are used to explain a point or variety of facts or establish or principles or describe an event related to that history. Exactly. This is the source method. Next I am going to give a one set is that is the drawing, next the coin. So will it be an example for the source method? Yes, you are telling yes. Then justify that how you can say it is an example for the source method. Yes, the teacher can make use of all these types of sources to explain, to analyze the past events in the regular classroom. Yes, exactly correct. So now you have observed the process. What we have done, three examples. Then we have analyzed the three examples. Finally, we come up with the generalized statement. After that, we have given that one example. Then you have justified that examples how it will be an example for the source method. If we are using this type of process in the teaching method, what method or what name you can give it for this type of method? Induction. Yes, you are near to that answer. Induction is correct. Only have we done the induction? Yes, we have done deduction also. Yes. So if we done the induction and deduction, what name we can call it as that teaching method? Induction deduction method. But also just we will rephrase it. Inducto deductive approach. What exactly? Tell me what exactly mean by that inducto deductive approach? Yes, first we will present the data, then we will analyze the data, and then we will go with the generalization. To prove that generalization, we will give another set of data to prove by the students. Yes, this is the method which will be always useful for the teachers to teach concepts in irrespective of the subject. Even when you are there in your internship program, you can use this approach and you can teach the students about the concepts. Definitely it will be retained in the long term memory of the students. Okay, so I think hope you have understood. Thank you.